Dobroyd Point we're at now. So you can see straight across the port there is the quarantine station that we were at yesterday. So yeah, good example. Ships come in, go onto the pontoon over there, moor up, and then they're quarantined. Back from the early 1800s right up to, when was it, 1980?
1984 it shut.
1984 it shut down. So in the distance there we got Manly.
Fairlight Beach.
Yep, Fairlight Beach straight through there. Nice spot. Alright guys, we're leaving the main track now. We're going to go this bush track to this crater cove where these houses are. It's only a very slight, doesn't look like too many people go down this way. The track's starting to get a bit wild now, B.
I think it is.
We've still got a fair way to go too, so hopefully it doesn't turn into nothing, this track. Oh, ghoulie. Whoa! Righto. Big there's a track down here. Cool. I'll be. Slide down. Actually steeper here than what it will look like on the camera. Right, it looks like we've made it down to one of them. It just came out of the blue, just walking down the track, and next minute there's a building. Oh my god, little chimneys. So why do they choose to build here?
No idea.
You buggered. Good spot to have a stubby though. Beer right there. A couple more houses over here. God, it's actually built into the stone, B. You can see that. That is all just stone. It's freaking incredible. Oh, look at this. A little tropical jungle now. Wow. Another building here, guys. Get around, have a look at that. There's the other one over there. Oh, just that. Look at that, my god. That's absolutely incredible. No way. More fresh water. Is it? Oh, Glenda went the dangerous way. Oh, cliff climber.
I was taking a photo of the huts from the...
Have a go at that across there. Wow. Looks like there's a couple more, I think. Oh, maybe one more. There's this little back garden here. Fireplace, fire pit. Be careful of the reptiles. Signing out. Lucky we haven't seen any snakes. Fingers crossed we don't see any. There we go. There's another one. And this is the last one. Oh, it's only just a little shack, this one. Oh, another lizard. Hey, bud. Get out of your way soon. On lead roof. Lizards out everywhere. Another little chimney. There you go, guys. Go check that out. There's the 1, the 2, and the 3 little cottages here on Crater Cove. Morning, guys. We're doing another walk today up Middlehead. We've come up to the top now. We actually had a feed at a beautiful little restaurant up here. So now we're heading over to the actual heads where the old fort bases are. So we're going to check this out. There's 2 of them. So we'll do the walk in between the 2 and see what's up here. So far we've got a few old cannons here, fenced off. Yeah, there'll be another walk there to the other head. And once again, pretty cool view. That's south head there. We'll get up a bit closer and have a look. Here we go. Oh, big gun turrets. Wow. Now, once again, I'll just build straight into the sandstone. Let's see what we'll... I hope we won't see what we're actually aiming for. Straight out through the headland. Chain you down. Certainly, we're going to protect the harbour, that's for sure. Another 2 big gun turrets here. I'm just going down. This is in between the 2 big gun turrets, right on the eastern side. Let's see what's down here. Ooh, it's natural sandstone. Steel reinforced roof to here anyway, and concrete. So we're just on the walk now in between the two gun displacements. So Belinda had a good read there. So what was the story there, Bea?
Well, in 1870, on the 23rd of August, the British left and said, well, stuff you all, you've got your own country now, you don't need us anymore, you defend your own city. So this little committee was made, and that's how the first Defence Force of Australia was put together, and they built this old place up here.
Yeah. Get ready for any invasion. Pretty good headland to protect the harbour. That's where we were yesterday. Straight ahead was Crater's Cove, where we went to the little houses. Straight through, just see them. If you didn't know they were there, you wouldn't see them. It looks like inner fort isn't as preserved as the outer fort. How's this? Sitting here with a big machine gun back in the day. That's pretty cool. And we're back down towards Cobbler's Bay is where we've got the boat anchored at the moment. Looks quite interesting. It was the closest point to get to this trail network. And obviously every time we pull up somewhere we've got to find a place to put the tender. So we've just got the tender beached, but whilst beaching the tender we didn't realise it's actually a nudist beach. So Belinda can't wait to get back down there and rip her gear off and go for a swim. I might just go back to the tender and go back and have a beer, I think. I'll leave you there, AB.
Like and subscribe to our channel. We're on Facebook and Instagram.